class 11.
Look at all your gifts.
This class brought me.
Which one do you want to open first? I think you should open up...
This.
You want to open up that?
Yeah.
Okay, open it.
That's cute.
What's that?
A cute.
Shoes. Can you open them? Let me see them.
Shoes.
What color are they?
Blue.
Just like you wanted, right?
For my Christmas list.
From your Christmas list, that's
I'll
right.
put it right there.
Do you like them?
Yes.
That was awesome. Let's see what else.
I like to open this.
Okay.
This is for you.
No, this one's for you. Hold on. This one you're going to like.
I'll go open this. And see.
What are those?